statistics can be generally divided into two. One is called descriptive statistics, and the other one is called inferential statistics. So when we embark on empirical study, the research questions and also the research objectives that we develop will be mapped to these two different types of statistics. In other words, we may be developing research questions that can be answered through the use of descriptive statistics, descriptive analysis. On the other hand, we will also be developing research questions or research objectives which can be accomplished through the use of inferential statistics or inferential analysis. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use descriptive analysis in order to answer descriptive research questions. So if you look at this theoretical framework, okay, we have this independent variable, mobile game addiction, and dependent variable, social interaction anxiety. There are 7 dimensions for mobile game addiction, and for social interaction anxiety, it is a unidimensional variable. And the research questions that we have developed, there are 3. How addicted are Malaysian youth to playing mobile games? That is the first one. The second one, do Malaysian youth suffer from social interaction anxiety? And the third one, is there a link between mobile gaming addiction and mobile interaction anxiety? The first and second research questions are actually descriptive research questions. So in order to answer these descriptive research questions, we may need to do descriptive analysis. So the results of the descriptive analysis will help us to answer the descriptive research questions. Now, the questionnaire for that theoretical framework is derived from the work of Giron, Lemons, and Patti. So this article provides the source for the instrument for measuring the mobile game addiction. So in this instrument, it has got 3 items for each dimensions. So there are 7 dimensions altogether. So 7 by 3, 21 items. So it is a perceptual measurement using Likert scale. So this is the sample of items used for measuring salience and tolerance. So the Likert scale used never up until very often. So the options are 0 for never, rarely for 1 for rarely, 2 for sometimes, 3 often, and 4 very often. Okay. As for the social interaction anxiety, we have adapted the questionnaire based on the work of Matic and Clark, and the questionnaire or the scale has got 20 items. Okay, here is the sample of questions or items in the scale. It has got 20 altogether. So it also uses the Likert scale, ranging from 0, not at all characteristics, or true to me, up until the highest end for extremely characteristic or true to me. Okay, so this is the diagrammatic view on the items that we use. Okay, 3 items per dimension, and then 20 items for the dependent variable, social interaction anxiety. So when it comes to coding the data onto the SPSS format for analysis, so for those of you who are not familiar with SPSS, so this is in the variable view. So under label column, you will put all the items that you have on the questionnaire. So this is the name of the items. The name must be unique. It has to be 1 word. If you want to use 2 or 3 words, you have to combine using underscore. Okay, to answer the first research question, which is how addicted are Malaysian youth to playing mobile games, we can analyze using the descriptive analysis. Click Analyze on the menu bar, and then choose Descriptive Statistics. and then click on descriptive. Okay, now you will take all the items measuring mobile game addiction, okay, which is starting from SAL1, which is salience, right, until PRO3, which are problems. So you transfer all these items, put under the variable box, and then under option, you click, you can choose standard error, variance, mean, standard deviation. Minimum and maximum, probably you may not need this. Okay, and then you click continue, and then you click OK. All right, so the results are already there, but I have to switch to another screen. All right, so this is the results. Okay, now what you can do is that now we have to take the overall mean of all the items. Okay, you can do this either by calculating manually, or the best way is to bring this whole table onto your Word file. Okay, you copy, and then you open your Word file. Okay, then you paste here. All right, so this is the results of the descriptive analysis. And then you bring your mouse cursor here. Okay, you can actually calculate manually. You take all this mean value of the item, and then you divide by 21. Why you divide by 21? Because there are 21 items measuring the game addiction. Okay, but you can also use the tool provided by Microsoft Word to auto calculate the mean. So you bring your mouse cursor here. On the menu bar, you click layout and then choose formula. So when this dialog box appear, you can see sum above, and then you divide by 21. Okay, so that's the result, 1.42. Now, if you remember, the Likert scale, the anchoring that we use, minimum is 0 and the maximum is 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the middle value is 2. 2 is the middle value. So if the overall mean is above 2, so we can conclude that the participant of the study is having the problem of mobile game addiction. However, the results here shows that the mean value is less than 2, which is the middle value. Okay, less than 2, that means that the participant of the study, the sample of the study, all of them are not having the problem of mobile game addiction. So this is how you answer your descriptive research questions. Now, the second research question is, do Malaysian youth suffer from social interaction anxiety? Okay, the same process we will go through. Okay, let me just switch to another screen, screen of the SPSS. Okay, and then you again click analyze. Okay, and then go to descriptive statistics, and then click on descriptives. Okay, and then you can reset. Okay, and then you choose all the items measuring social interaction anxiety. So like in this case, the items are from SIA 01 right until SIA 20. Okay, transfer and put under the variables box. Under option, you tick on standard error, variance, and then mean. And then you click continue, and then you click OK. Okay, the results are already there, but I have to switch to another screen so that you can see the result. Okay, so this is the results. So the same process, you have to take the overall mean of all the items. Okay, you can do it manually, or you can just transfer these results, copy, and then you bring it to your Microsoft Word. Okay. Okay, you can paste. So, and then you bring your mouse cursor here. Same process. You click on layout, click on formula. Okay, this one you have to divide by 20 because there are 20 items. And then you click OK. So the value is 2.06. Again, the anchoring that we use for this Likert scale, minimum 0 and maximum 4, the middle value is 2. So from this overall mean, we can make conclusion that the participant or the sample of the study, they are slightly suffering from the social interaction anxiety because the value here surpass the middle value of 2. Okay, so slightly above. So we can say they have moderate problem of the social interaction anxiety. Okay, that's how you do descriptive analysis for answering descriptive research questions.